This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. Open house April 10th and 11th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Stellar boating from here to all of your lobster holes. Upgraded to withstand the elements with Hardie board siding, impact windows/doors along with metal roof. Dock and decks upgraded with Trex composite decking. Plenty of off-street and shaded parking. Not available to preview until April 10th and 11th. Open house offer instructions. Seller will only consider offers with either proof of cash funds or lender pre-qualification letter and buyer to physically preview property. For more information, review the details below.